Welcome to our channel One Step where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send your camera roll video as snap on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So camera roll video is basically the video which you took using your phone's camera, not snap camera but your phone's camera like this. So I'm going to take a normal video over here just like this. It's going to be a 2-second video. So this video is now automatically going to be saved on camera roll of Snapchat. Now in order to upload or send this video to my friend as a normal snap, what I need to do is after opening my Snapchat, I need to click on the search icon at the bottom right. The search icon with a little star right beside it, that's the one I want to click on. Once I click on this, it's going to take me to the filter searching place. And over here at the top you can see the search bar. You want to click on the search bar and type this called UPLOADGALLERY. Now once you search for upload gallery, the first option where it says upload gallery, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to show you all the photos and videos which is on your gallery. Now you want to choose the video which you want to send. So I want to send the 1-second video which I just took. Now since this video is 1 second, I need to hold on this little picture taking icon at the bottom for 1 second. So I'm going to hold on it, and once this ring ends over here, I'm going to leave it. So I'm just going to leave it like this. And as you guys can see, Snapchat has just recorded this video. Now what I can do is click on send to and send it to one of my friends. So I will send it to one of my friends and I will click on this arrow at the bottom. And now the video which was in my gallery or in my camera roll has just been sent as a snap. So to show you the proof, I will just go on my chat and I will choose the person's name, and as you guys can see, it says delivered. So that's how you guys can send a camera roll video as a snap on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.